tried to hold them. Which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension. Oh, yes.
At least we are well secure.
And the doors will be forward.
That's where it all ends, so that door can open all the way through.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a bunch.
You are now standing in my private office,
I know.
where I carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy.
Let's shoot this guy. Hearing your incessant clattering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ouch! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Waiting for
Rocket, unplug you and stop me! Show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll!
Well, is this part of the tour? No, it's that part of the tour.